Alright guys, I want to do a review on my Amazon Fire Stick. So this has to be one of the handiest streaming devices out for sure. Like, as you can see, like this TV behind me, it's not a smart TV, so like it's kind of hard to get like any of Disney Plus, ESPN, things like that. So I'm about to show you how we could fix that problem. But I also use these on some of my other smart TVs just because the interface on Amazon is just so much easier. I do use this accessory that comes with it, and it's the extender. Just makes it easier to plug in the back. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in so you kind of get to see how it works. Plug it in to your HDMI, and just let it boot up. The other cool feature that I like is that you can actually control the actual volume and other controls from within the Fire Stick remote, which I thought was such a cool addition to it. Because that way you're not having to carry, the one for the TV and the Fire Stick. It can all be controlled from here. So as you can see, once you're logged in, bam, it looks awesome. So if you don't have a smart streaming device like the Fire Stick, definitely want to get you one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.